In Python, a variable is a name that refers to a value. You can think of it as a container that holds a value, and you can assign different values to the same variable at different times. In Python, you don't need to declare a variable before you use it. You simply assign a value to a variable using the assignment operator equals. For example, x equals 42, y equals hello. In this example, x and y are both variables. X has been assigned the integer value 42, and y has been assigned the string value hello. Variables in Python can hold values of any data type, including integers, floats, strings, booleans, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and more. You can also assign the result of an expression to a variable. For example, x equals 3 plus 4, y equals hello plus world. In this example, x is assigned the value 7, the result of the expression 3 plus 4, and y is assigned the value hello world, the result of concatenating the strings hello and world. You can also reassign a variable to a new value at any time. For example, x equals 42, x equals x plus 1. In this example, x is first assigned the value 42. Then, x is reassigned to the result of x plus 1, which is 43. It's important to note that variables in Python are dynamically typed, which means that you don't need to specify the data type of a variable when you declare it. The data type of a variable is determined based on the value that it is assigned, like x equals 42. X is an integer. X equals hello. X is now a string. In this example, x starts out as an integer, but is then reassigned to a string. This is allowed in Python because the data type of a variable can change dynamically depending on its value. Overall, variables are an essential part of programming in Python, and many other programming languages, as they allow you to store and manipulate values in your code. In Python, there are certain naming conventions that are commonly used to name variables, functions, and other elements of your code. These conventions help make your code more readable and consistent, which can make it easier to understand. Variables in Python should be named using lowercase letters, with words separated by underscores. For example, my underscore variable equals 42. My underscore other underscore variable equals hello. Functions in Python should also be named using lowercase letters, with words separated by underscores. For example, def, my underscore function, argument 1, argument 2. Function code goes here after a tab space. Classes in Python should be named using camel case, with the first letter of each word capitalized. For example, class, my class. Class code goes here after a tab space. Modules in Python should be named using lowercase letters, with words separated by underscores. For example, import, my underscore module. Constants in Python are typically named using uppercase letters, with words separated by underscores. For example, my underscore constant equals 42. By following these conventions, you can make your code more readable and easier to understand for yourself and others who may be working with your code.